If you give me your La Vaca Saturno Saturnita, I will give you a super secret brainlet.
Oh my gosh, really? Deal.
Ha 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 ha, I scammed you.
Oh, okay.
Hey, are you okay?
No, Bacon Boy scammed me. Please help me get it back.
Okay, I help you. Give Bacon Girl back her La Vaca Saturno Saturnito,
Or what?
or else we get you banned for scamming.
You can't do that. Only Sammy can do that. And he won't join the game. Oh,